Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Interesting Pie. Today we're going to be making my favorite breakfast, pancakes. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. We're going to put this aside and bring the bowl closer. First we are going to be putting 2 cups of flour or maida. 1 cup. Second cup. Now we're done with that. We're going to be adding 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Next we're going to whisk it. Now that we're done with that, we're going to be adding 6 tablespoons of sugar. Now that we're done while putting the sugar, we are going to mix our dry ingredients. And then we're going to add 2 eggs. One, 2. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we're going to add milk. And mix it again. More milk. We're gonna keep adding milk until we have the right thickness. This is the thickness we actually need. As you can see, our batter is ready, so let's go start making the pancake. I forgot to put the oil in, so we're putting in now 2 tablespoons. Now I will add 1 big scoop of pancake batter on our already greased pan. You're gonna flip it when you see lots of bubbles forming on the pancake batter. Flip. That's a perfect pancake right there. Here our pancake is ready. Our pancakes are ready. I'm going to be decorating them with honey and cream. I hope you like my recipe of pancakes, fluffy pancakes. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel at Desi Cravings and Interesting Pie. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.